National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washington County in east central New York, northern Bennington County in southern Vermont, west central Windham County in southern Vermont, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Greenwich, Oregon, 9 miles southwest of Salem, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Salem around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Arlington around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Manchester around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dorset and Manchester Center around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Rupert, Somerset, Goose Island, Peru Town Center, West Sandgate, Peters Four Corners, Manchester Depot, Glastonbury, Fly Summit, and Hidden Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.